Yeah, I'm Fred Ingram. My wife and I, Jackie, we're the owners of F&J Racing here in Marshalltown, and we work on Harley-Davidsons. We've been in business part-time since 1986 and full-time since '91. And I think we've been in this location 26 years, I believe. And we do anywhere from oil changes to build complete motorcycles from the ground up. Do a lot of performance work, do a lot of work for other shops. Well, I've always liked motorcycles. I bought my first motorcycle when I was 18 years old in 1973. We have customers from about 10 different states we actually do work for.
The Blessing of the Bikes, our 25th year, and it's sad for me because it's going to be my last year. I'm passing it on, and it will be at the Riverview Park. And we have food, we have live music, we have games, and just good fellowship. And I'm expecting a large crowd this year.